Function overloading in Kotlin allows you to define multiple functions with the same name in the same scope but with different parameter lists. The functions can have different numbers or types of parameters. When you call the overloaded function, the Kotlin compiler figures out which version of the function to call based on the arguments you provide. This is known as function overloading. For example, I'll create a similar function to this function but of type double. Function sum two numbers, x of type double, y of type double, and its returning type will be a double. In this example, we have two versions of sum2numbers function. The first function takes two integer parameters and return an integer. The second version of the function takes two double parameters and returns a double. So here, I'll copy the function body. These functions have the same name, sum2numbers, but they differ in the types of parameters and the return type. Let me show you. If I call the function sum2numbers and I pass 5 and 3, which are integers, the first version of sum2numbers function will be called, and this depends on the integer. So if I run the program, you can see that I am calling the first version of this function. If I pass 5.3 and 3.7, run the program, and you can see it. The returning type of it is a double, 9.0. So I'm calling the second version of sum2numbers function. So if I pass doubles, you can see sum2numbers is turned into yellow, and this turns into gray. If I hover here, function sum2numbers is never used. This integer function is not being used. I'm using add two doubles and return a double. This is the function overloading in Kotlin.